Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics. Sign into the Microsoft account tied to the license, because activation links the program to that identity. Once signed in, open Account. Microsoft. Com and check services and subscriptions to verify the Office or Microsoft 365 status. Make sure your PC's date, time, and internet are accurate. Activation requires a secure timestamp and online reachability. If the account doesn't show the product, you'll need the original purchase info before proceeding to activation steps. Next, you perform the activation flow. Open Excel, go to File, Account, and choose Activate or Change License. Sign in with the verified Microsoft account so the product can link to your subscription. If sign-in fails, run Programs and Features Microsoft Office Change Online Repair to refresh activation components. For persistent errors, run the activation troubleshooter or use command line tools like SLMGR to check license status. These steps replace corrupted tokens and re-register the license with Microsoft servers. Finish by restarting Excel and checking File Account to confirm it shows product activated. If activation still fails, clear old credentials. Open Windows Credential Manager and remove any Office or Microsoft account entries, then sign in again. This forces a fresh token retrieval. If problems persist, gather your account email, purchase receipt or product key, and any error codes. Contact Microsoft support so they can reassign or troubleshoot the license. One quick troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable VPN or proxy, since activation can fail when routing blocks Microsoft endpoints.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.